Stana.
Yes, Queen.
Stana on him send me dopa.
Yes, I do know, Sir O'Donnell. And I love you more. You know it.
And him say you love me more, but I love you more than you do. Stana.
Yes, dear.
And him say, like, I'm afraid of losing you.
Why do you say this?
Because the entire make a son say, a bedroom may be no, or your bema.
Yeah.
Baby bet me about be boom, like baby bet me about be boom between you and I. Say bia, what dream bet me as a son, a woman home, any idea. And I'm afraid.
If nah, you shouldn't say that. So I said, there is nothing that beats me about between me and them. You get what I'm saying? And if there is something on way coming, I stand here.
Oh no, Oka said there is nothing a bit to me, but Miss Mehoni said there is something.
Look at, if there is something, I stand here will make sure I'll clear it off. You know I'll do anything for you, yeah? For our love, you know it.
Then it's your brother. Stana. See. Who feels so brother no? Your name is fiancé open once more. Huh? Do you know say your brother keep on tormenting me in this house? Do you know? And then I'm even afraid say one day you can obey to me and you'll be. He can even kill you.
Yeah. Virus, my senior brother, wouldn't do anything to hurt me. I know him very, very much. I know that sometimes, you know, yeah, but Virus, because he's my only blood left on this earth.
Stana, and Famo say he's your only blood. See, and you afford to me like Ninya because of something, Sikebi and Nancy, but this time around, no. Oh, yeah, my ex. No, I'm dating him, and then he keep on tormenting me in this house. When I said I'm okay, or Bahasa on me better. You just see, he came here, he wanted to sleep with me.
Afia, what you are saying, oh my imagine now, because how Virus just come in and sleep with you, whilst he knows, say, my junior brother, again no.
Stana, please wise up. See, me name the obey to me. I know what Virus can do. Please. He hates you. Even Miss Shaw so obey to me, baby.
Yeah. So you listen, right now, what do you suggest we should do? Yeah.
See, right now, no. I don't want to lose you right now.
Same here. I don't want to lose you too.
And then, maybe say when you are being man about the obstacle between you and I. I just want you to kill him.
Afia, to the extent of me killing my brother, yes, I do love you. But hey, to the extent of me killing my own brother. Now, tell me you are not the one who said it.
Stana, I mean what I'm saying.
I can't do that thing. Don't say this. Please, I respect our relationship a lot. And you know it.
Say, oh no more in Kumana.
He can never kill me. I trust my brother here.
Yeah. I hope so. One bus over Masuma or something. Like you did to me the last time.
No crying on me, say.
Alright.
May you sorry for whatever happened. I'm saying, my mini say, may baby, sir. Say, be a do what a man as me boss. But all the same, I'm sorry. And it won't happen again.
I hope so.
Virus.
Yeah.
It's reassured so open me.
What question are you asking? I come in Pewaka, Obi, I mean, what did you see what you did to me years back? Now, I was Bahan dating my brother, I'm a pain in every room. And then I've approached you to like express my love for you. And what you in crown, you gave me a slap which I didn't deserve that. But I still talk to you in a nice manner. Just a minute, I love you and then you know I love you.
The reason why I make a son is say will be one of my you watch about the moments I will be home. Nancy was saying I'll come over for video man. It's in a mammy casana.
Me, I'm always for real in whichever thing that I do. I don't fake. I dare afraid of fake being in a mujam. Like I'm always for real. If I say yes, it's yes. If I say no, it's no. If I say I do, I do. If I say I don't, I don't.
Okay. Na sisi akwa no virus se meti ase sisi onim se onu abe man ono na isi obabe obstacle yemi enuntem. You know so I can't date you at the same time. Me san date sister na. And then say also open me it will get to a time you will get married, you be wo like you be making sure say relationship will be go far. So and then me pese when you be manu about be obstacle we me and them. So sisiano virus me pese we ya dey back mama. Say if you really love me and I say if you really want this relationship to stand up. Me pese we ya dey be mama.
Which is
I want you to kill your brother.
you want me to do what? Kill my brother.
Kill him. Kill your brother.
And then, like, you feel like because he will live to see the success of him in a relationship with another person,
Sisiano, I can't bear this shameless thing Sisiana may be film. So, me know you bear my tramp at the same time. Wo, and as on him say what serious my dent or quabe brave bebana. Into the moment I'll be in a free honum no. Bibi be okay.
Well, I think you're making sense.
Really?
I'll kill him. I'll kill him.
Wow.
I'll kill him.
You kill him.
I'll kill him tomorrow around 12 a.m. I said, "I'm bravo, baby. I'll kill him."
Hey,
I'll kill for your love. Trust me, I'll kill him. It's no more than to promote. I'll come and kill him.
I'm going to put him.
And that will go by.
Oh, that be. And she be your papa. So, listen, the moment I will yin if you know. You bet me I need to see you. If you have see a bay, dear. Okay, see my samba. Wait.
I'll kill him.
Okay.
I'll kill him.
Kill him.
Okay. Soon we wash and I already what does over from you. Be our that is for and to show you. This me and you know. Me and a convent, this me and the corner. Hey! Don't you try. Abu now we said I'm here. Send me mum up see you come. Hey! Send me na mobile mpo. If sorry go. Send me no be come. Senior who come ni asa. Who be come ni?
Kwani say?
Say the oba dey say.
Okay. Blam sample. Who di obeji? Akumu akasa mu moja.
Na yo oba yi hyehyɛ na oba dey say.
Oba han hyehyɛ.
Let her be silent.
I didn't done it.
Virus. My own bloody brother. And necessarily, my milk crown, I said, Papa Cronco, the same mother from the same wood. Virus. Because of a please.
Send me on the kind.
Because of a lady, Virus. When she came in to tell me, say, Miss Senior brother, so cool. Hey, Anefia, my brother cannot do this to me. Because of that, I know how my brother was suffer for me. Virus. What's that? Why you call the John? Virus, you see your life? Where am I from? I never did that. Virus, listen to me. For my self-protection, and if these people were not around, Virus, by now I would have been a dead body. Stand up. Virus, why do you want to do this to me? That's because of a lady.
Bema. We in your first person in and I Titi and
Stop crying.
Virus, you can do this to me because of a lady. Your old junior brother, have you forgotten how you suffered for the Virus?
boy,
Wouldn't be they are meant to be young. Wouldn't mark something. Another. What you say? Who be do a betchy? I be cool me.
hey, cyborg.
Now wouldn't you say you see your my former wife, your former Gaby, and your former brother? Wouldn't you say?
Virus.
As if you too.
So now more than
Also, ever
cyborg.
Mommy, rest in peace, mommy.
Who become Van Damme? Just a show me 1 minute over come Van
I
Damme.
don't know.
Once I was saying, I'm a
Oh, bloody. He has betrayed me.
Okay, so see if I say, when you become for this, yes, you know, with the way we are. Yes, I know.
just a real life for us. Life in your ma.
A man who I guess is
Who did you yes? Hey, Mamma can't tell. Lumba Kurana, one, your friend Marco Dukra.
oh,
And why did on Hannah home beam? What? One no Kurana with me had a gadama. See, I got a video clip and so no yen.
no shame.
And I'm so wish him and if you me be
Check,
check,
my black. Wait,
what the CD? One cry the way you what come down or pay to the communia.
Say, as some new crown, a bomb I don't know what you say.
Terminator.
just don't be a don't proba. You just don't do be a don't proba. We have a cross or get beer. You guys have a vision animal.
It's okay, Virus, kill me.
We here go cancel pa
Virus, you can kill me here.
Another the
You want to kill me here? Kill me and I'll have a Virus.
I said Kuno.
I'm here, kill me. Yes, I'm ready, kill me, Virus.
Kuno.
Virus, kill me, Virus.
Man, you want
Kill me, Virus. Kill me.
Man, you want to say obey go for that. We don't go to soon I say my brother man, mother. Hey.
Kuno.
I didn't know my own brother.
We the first person ABC ni.
Now, who's so about
Kuno. I can't tell. Yeah, anybody guys you. Maybe madam here.
Kuno won't say.
So no person may fall man and dear woo ye.
I said,
I dream bonnet, some woe trim will say.
Send your
I
papa.
may my baby pell.
Send your papa.
Now, whom I fast
Send your papa.
or be so as send your pet or by.
Hey, kids.
Clear him up before I get mad.
Hey,
Please clear him up.
Hey,
My young common happen.
hey, K. Hey,
No,
K. K ukumu nyebe.
the Galaquan.
Who be see your friend wa we see Trump was me so for.
Champion.
Ubukum sim.
I said, clear him.
I'll call the clock.
Clear him. I hate my brother.
Maneko. We nye case bi.
Go.
Say I must see be kuno.
Omega, thank you. Thank you.
Ene. Mama ka sem tell. Ene. Emma, you know the first person. Emma tete montem. And I know the first ho a. Wako nua ho ege ho a yakun.
We see us all me.
You're careful. Say we will be proud de ho kwara so ohwe na hwe na se kum beba mpe.
Jamana.
Because emoja we na dey mo no. Eno na ebedum rebi nya ko say ho asem. Na de koye ma. Wan pigi ama ya moto pe ema ho.
Utwa mama say obi ani kwa yenku.
You're careful.
Right.
Oh, so I can't want to think virus is not my blood anymore, I swear. What it?
And what you mean? And what you mean? Just a lesson. A lesson.
Mr. Montramp, no, you don't know from where we are coming from.
Oh,
and you go away.
It was
now that you were see young. Now, on your go number.
Bella.
Yeah,
I'll call you guys. Thank you. You call me. I appreciate it. Thank you. You call it. I'll call you guys. I was doing it for you. I appreciate it.
Okay.
You go on in a car was rude.
Not fine. So poor this.
What's your name?
I believe you, baby.